pursuit of perseverance, tenacity, and concentration is the starting point for us to pioneer the business of saw blades. With many years of professional cutting experience, from design to manufacturing, combining innovation and long-term accumulated experience and techniques, in-depth understanding of market demand, our philosophy is to create a high-quality product supply chain as well as services. Our technology and services help Chanlong Enterprise win the trust of global customers in the handsaw industry. Owning rich cutting experience and manufacturing expertise and sufficient resources, we've been constantly improving production technology over the years. Through the strict requirements on quality, high-cost performance saw blades are built. We are obsessed with the highest quality, excellent experience of handling, and never stop progressing. Humanization is regarded as a priority for product manufacturing. Meeting the optimal force angle, verified by countless inspections and improvement, and satisfying numerous users with cutting needs. We provide cutting tools for carpentry, gardening, interior decoration, and various daily uses. We focus on manufacturing details, focus on working hard with a smile, and focus on satisfying people's lives. It is not only a tough and durable tool, but also a creative partner to realize your ideas. Experience the perfect match of strength and tools, and the functionality controlled by the hand height. We bring a cutting experience you have never had before. Everything we do for the quality has set a milestone of excellence. Chanlong Enterprise makes the starting point of innovation come true.